Hello students, I'm Professor Shomen Mukherjee. I'm a faculty at the School of Arts and Sciences, and I'll be offering this course, Introduction to Field Ecology, this summer. So this course can be taken as an elective by a biological and life sciences student, but also it can be taken as a GER by students from other schools. So what's ecology? So ecology is a very field-based science, and the goal of ecology is to understand distribution and abundance of organisms. So why are certain animals rare in some places and certain animals are much more abundant in other places? And this is very relevant for conservation and conservation biology and other fields. So in this hands-on field course, what we'll be doing is we'll be trying to first be a naturalist. So these are people who just observe and enjoy nature. And then from there, we will be trying to decipher how to understand the complexity of nature. Okay, and we'll be doing this through looking at natural history and then posing questions related to fields of ecology and evolutionary biology. And then we'll be trying to link and understand some of these core concepts of ecology, which is like what is a habitat, what is a population, what are communities, and how are different individuals in a community linked to each other in the form of networks, right? And finally, we'll try to identify and quantify many of these kind of interactions and distributions what we observe in nature. So there'll be a part of data science also in this course. Okay, so the learning outcome from this course will be you will learn how to describe interactions between organisms and the environment. You will also be able to use natural history to frame fundamental questions in ecology. You will be learning how to design a study in the field, because each student will be paired with another student, and you will be framing a question and a project in the field and executing, collecting data for that, and also learning how to organize, analyze many of these data in the field, as well as when we come back and discuss. So this field, it's a 12-day field course which will be entirely run in Bhuj, close a place 10 kilometers away from Bhuj called Chadwa Rakhal. This is a private nature reserve, very big area where the entire course will be run. The typical schedule would be like in the 12 days, in the morning and in the afternoon we'll be doing a lot of the field work. So we'll be going out with using a lot of the vehicles, spending a lot of the time in the field, but also coming back and discussing a lot of the questions which come out of the field, as well as discussing about theory. And as I said, so there's a lot of hands-on, the entire course is very hands-on. So there's a lot of discussions, there'll be a lot of plotting, discussions about data, discussions about theory in ecology. And both during the day as well as the night time, sometimes we'll be doing field work, right? So apart from this, what we'll also be doing is that this course, it's not only about just wildlife, but also we'll be interacting a lot with the local communities to understand how they use those wild landscapes. And this is very fundamental because for understanding the conservation science. So how do you conserve a lot of the wildlife when humans are also using many of those spaces? So here's, let me walk you through some of the assessments for this course. So essentially, every student will be maintaining a daily journal, which will be around 25% of your course grade. There'll be projects you'll be doing with another friend of yours together. So you'll be designing your project, executing it, and presenting it. And at the end of it, once you come back from the field, after a week or so, you will be writing the project report and submitting it. And there'll be a small viva for these projects. The aim of the viva is to understand how well have you actually understood what you have done in the field, as well as understanding of some basic theories in ecology. And finally, because this is a very immersive course, I would expect everyone to be very actively participating in this course. So 15% of the grade is for class participation. So as of now, so because this is a completely field-based course, this course will run during the summer, and of course that means that it's a paid course for the summer. And tentatively the timing for this course is between 16th and 30th of July, so towards the end of your summer vacation. And it's also limited to 16 students because a large class size is very difficult to actually accommodate during such a hands-on course, because each and every student will be actively participating in designing different aspects of their project. So here's a picture of the last year's batch of students who came and attended this course. And the ultimate aim of this course is actually to reconnect you with nature. So as many of you have actually been born and brought up in the cities, often you are very afraid of nature and you lose this connect with nature. And one of my hope is that you'll be also, at the end of the course, really appreciate and enjoy being out in nature, because that is what you are intricately linked to. So here's one of the statements from a student who's actually finished, had taken this course. If you have any further questions about this course, please feel free to email me. Thank you.